Six-pack abs in 30 days. Best ab workouts for women. Do you wish for those sexy and six-pack abs you saw in some celebrities and athletes? If that has been a wish of yours, stop wishing. You can have those abs too if you want to. This video will teach you how. Watch every second of this video to learn how now. Having six-pack abs seems like an unattainable goal that's meant only for celebrities and elite athletes who spend hours in the gym. But the truth is, having a flat and well-defined abdomen is possible for the average person. If you're determined enough and are prepared to work for it, there's no reason why you can't achieve this goal within a month. If you want to have the best chance of getting six-pack abs in 30 days, spend a few minutes each day doing these ab workouts for women. Every exercise lasts for 30 seconds. Do them all in chronological order, and then repeat the entire workout at least one other time. As your abs get stronger, you can work up to completing up to 5 sets per day. Spider planks. Start in a regular forearm plank position where you're facing a mat and holding yourself up using your forearms and toes. Make sure you're perfectly straight and your hips don't sag down. Bend your right knee to the side and take it as close as you can to your right elbow. Hold the position for 2 seconds before going back to your original plank position. Do the same for the other side. Keep alternating between the two sides until your 30-second timer runs out. Dead bugs. Lie on your back with your arms straightened out and perpendicular to the floor and your palms facing each other. Lift your legs from the mat and bend your knees at a 90-degree angle. Straighten out your right leg as you lower it around 6 inches from the mat. At the same time, lower your left arm straight back above you. Slowly take your right leg and left arm back to the starting position. Do the same movement with your left leg and right arm. Shuffle between the two sides until you've completed 30 seconds worth of dead bugs. Flutter kicks. Lie on your back and place your palms face down beneath your hips. Use your ab muscles to lift your upper body from the mat. Simultaneously, lift your feet at least 6 inches from the ground. Raise each leg alternately, as if slowly kicking up one foot at a time. Keep alternating until you've completed 30 seconds worth of flutter kicks. Vertical leg crunch. Lie on your back with your hands behind your neck. Raise your legs so they're perfectly straight and perpendicular to the floor. Harness power from your abdomen to lift your upper body from the floor. Hold the top position for a second before slowly lowering your upper body back down to the mat. Repeat until your 30-second timer runs out. These are the best ab workouts for women who want to get six-pack abs in 30 days. As long as you persevere and push yourself to complete these exercises daily, you'll definitely see the results you need within a month. But don't stop there. As the exercises become easier to do, try challenging yourself by setting or increasing the duration per exercise. That'll help you maintain an increasingly defined set of abs you'll love yourself for. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.